Sam.
I'm Mr. Alarm Clock, and we're in the yellow Volkswagen Beetle up here chasing alcoholic in our car. He is in a side-by-side, and we've been up here just playing in the mud, sending it through rocks, and going anywhere that he's going.
And leaking oil.
And leaking oil.
Still hanging in there.
Jeremy Frizzle ain't got nothing on Police. It's a shame. He spends all that time fixing her.
The only reason it's lasted this long is because Jeremy Frizzle has not driven it.
Yeah, ABG's been in the driver's seat.
Yeah, ABG has been driving the Police and it has been doing just fine. So 8.8 for the win. There's alcoholic.
Where the fuck is he taking
Oh
me?
my fucking god.
Ow!
What is this?
I don't know about that. I don't have a map. I don't know where I'm going, damn
Go
it.
up there, right there. Hey, right there.
Radiator? Fuck. It's alright, we'll drive it back out of here and it should be fun.
We'll send. Come over here! It ain't over.
No, we're driving. No, we're driving. Yeah. So we're gonna drive it.
You know, I had just felt confident you could pick your own line. And
I didn't know where we were going.
I wasn't gonna leave you.
It'll be alright. We're gonna drive it back to camp. I'm gonna fix it and we're gonna do it again.
Bye bye, radiator.
I know. Picture, we look like alien blood.
Yeah, so which way's out?
Here's the map.
That's not good. That doesn't help me.
Before you.
If it starts to get hot, you're gonna pull.
If it starts to get hot and act stupid, I'll pull over.
We got cold water.
Cold water ain't gonna do no good for it. That right here.
We got cold water.
We'll keep an eye on you just to make sure.
Yeah.
If you find a water pole, just let it sit in for a minute.
Just quickest way, yeah.
Oh.
Alright, now we're riding back with busted radiator, leaking oil pan. But we're still gonna drive it. We're gonna send the shit out of this bitch too while we're going.
We're gonna send this shit. Yeah, that was a rough one.
That was, but these tires got it out of there. We ain't broke no axle.
Dude, you got it out of there. It's gone.
Hey, is this the way out? Yeah. Alright.
Trying to get the fuck out of here as fast as we can, bitches.
Oh, keep going.
Overheating.
Sorry, it's just low coolant.
That's awesome.
Thank you, buddy.
and you are broke.
Oh, that was a good stop. Holy shit.
I mean, after what you just went down, dude, this ain't nothing.
Yeah, I know.
Oh.
Dragon trailer hitch. We came up this?
No.
This is how we got here?
No.
Like, what the fuck, man? Oh, dude, we're ripping.
We just need to get the fuck out of here. we just need to go.
Oh.
That sounded good.
Oh.
Dude, that sounded mint.
That sounded cherry, bro.
We need to.
Cherry as cherry pie gets.
She's a little muddy.
Oh my god. What the fuck?
Still made it further than the police here.
No, police is still behind us.
Future.
Where did he go?
He turned that way.
Alright. Dude, we should not be on this trail. How do I get out of here? Is that an exit? How the fuck do I get out of here? Alright. I gotta turn around. I broke my radiator.
This ain't the right way.
Yeah, look at all the oil.
God damn.
Look at all the oil. Yeah, our oil lights on. Look at all the oil, bro.
Whoa.
We need to get the
Right
fuck
there.
up this hill. We're losing power.
And we're done. Oh shit, he just fucking dropped.
Oh, fuck.
Like and subscribe if you want more of this shit.